Alright, coming from the basement. We've never done an unboxing video. I've done a couple knife things. We do the motorcycle stuff, and the Chihuahua stuff. Hi, Mr. Cooper. He's okay. Anyway, so this is going to be an unboxing of my Grail knife. The knife that I have looked at for a very long time, could never justify buying, but just finally did it. So, alright, get down. So, knifeart.com is where I was able to get this because they're super rare, super hard to come by. Alright, so let's try this. See how this opens. Ooh. So there it is. Let's see what we got in the box before I take it all out. Never had a Hinderer before. Always wanted one. I have an 0562 ZT that I really love. Hand assembled and tuned. We're not going to deal with the tri-way pivot right now, but you do get the washers if you want to change it out. Comes with bearings right now, but you can go to Teflon or phosphor bronze, I believe. Anyway, whew, I'm so excited. I can't even do this. All right, let's set this aside. So what I got is the Hinderer XM-18 3.5 inch. 3.5 inch Bowie blade, and I also got it in the battle blue anodization. So I'm so excited. First flip. Oh, I did it. So you can see this Bowie blade hasn't been done very often. Super hard to get, or was. CPM 20 CV steel, 3.5 inch Hinderer XM-18. I have a black and blue scale on the way, so we'll be changing that out, but wow. It's absolutely beautiful. See the drop shut action. You can use the thumb studs. You can use the thumb studs or the flipper tab in the back. Anyway, what do you think of this one, honey?
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Okay, I got a gorgeous. Usually she could care less about any of my knives, right? Right? You like the ski videos better, right?
Sure.
And our motorcycle adventures. So that's a ski bunny filming right now. But I just wanted everyone to see my Grail knife. Beautiful. Look at the back spacers. I'm sure it's razor sharp. And this is the working finish, they call it. So not just the stonewash, but so battle blue. Turn it this way, I guess. Battle blue with the working finish. Absolutely. Anodized clip as well. This little symbol here shows you that it is the tri-way design. So this is a Gen 6 XM-18. Battle blue, which I've always wanted. And black. Soon to be a black and blue scale from Hinderer as well. Anyway, what do you think, Cooper? Get a shot of Cooper. Do you like it?
Are you thrilled, Cooper?
Do you like it? Come here. Okay.
Yeah, be careful with that.
Yeah, I know. I'm putting it away. We don't want to have knives around the dog. Anyway. So that's it. Hinderer knives. My Grail knife. I guess I can stop collecting now, right, babe?
Yes, please.
Okay. We'll see if that happens or not.
Probably not.
Probably not. Look at that. How it feels in the hand. I just love the Bowie blade. As soon as I saw it, these came out in a couple runs, right? And most of them are sold out everywhere you look. I got this one, knifeart.com. They still had a few left. A couple different versions as well if you're looking for the Bowie. All right. That's it, babe.